Hey everyone, I'm Lara and I work as a VA for the daily planners, and today I'm going to show you the new life planner from the Versatile collection that's ADHD, ASD, and ADD friendly. So I'm going to dive right in and let you discover the planner with me. So this is the planner cover. This is how it looks like. I really like the colors and how they give a certain vibe. So let's swipe left and we come to this index page and all the important links. If you already own a Versatile planner, you already know how this works, but basically this is the link that will bring you to the Versatile Club. Here you'll have the password and everything is written here how to get into the Versatile community and so on. So as I mentioned before, you get access to the Versatile Club and this is how it looks like. So you head over to thedailyplanners.com or you click on the button in your planner and you basically get access to all the stickers, all the widgets, all the inserts of any Versatile product. So this is how it looks like, and here are the new widgets you get. And you actually, if you want to download the Goodnotes widgets file, you click here, and if you want the PNG widgets, if you don't have Goodnotes, you click here. But I'm going to show you how it looks like with the Goodnotes files. So you actually click here and then the three buttons on the top right, and you click on Open In. Just wait for it to load up and you just click on Goodnotes and make sure to import as new. Wait for it to import and this is how it looks like. So yeah, you get access to a ton of widgets. This is only the beginning, guys. So you get even more in the club. Whoops, there's even more. So yeah, that's how it looks like. That's the Versatile Club. You can even download minimalistic widgets, extra widgets, layout, monthly. You get time schedule widgets, daily, and this is all accessible with buying only one Versatile planner. So you buy the new life planner and you get access to this stuff for free. So it's all free, no costs, no monthly costs whatsoever. And yeah, and you also get access to the templates. So if you have a life planner and you don't want to buy the new planner, well, you get the templates for free and you can download these here. So this planner is dated from January 2022 to December 2022. And you'll have this index, so you have the monthly, month at a glance, and mental health. So this planner focuses highly on mental health, prioritizing, and routines. So let's take a look at the template library. So these are all the pages you will get. And you also have like custom tabs and also custom linked pages. So you can always rename these tabs, and if you click on it, it will bring you to the blank page, which you can fill with widgets, inserts, stickers, whatever you want actually. And these custom tabs are actually these tabs right here. So you can come to these tabs from any page in your planner. Well, before diving into the template library, I'm going to show you the monthly view. This is how it looks like. And this is the month at a glance. You get like important stuff to note down, to do, course, important dates, focus for the month, a monthly tracker, and a big space for notes. This is the monthly mental health page. this is how it looks like, with a symptoms tracker and some self-care goals. Also important to know, this planner is available in a Monday start or a Sunday start. And here you'll have your custom month at a glance page, which you can fill up with widgets. This is how a weekly looks like. So you get like these priority tasks, a lot of space for notes and appointments for the day, and you also have like this sleep, hydration, and food tracker. Here on the side you'll have space for favorite picture of the week, this week's focus, priorities, and here on the bottom your habits. I love how this weekly turned out. To be honest, it's even pretty to use it without any stickers on. This is the daily. So again, you have like this mental health area kind of widgets. So you have like your top 3 of the day, your meals, your today's emoji, hydration, today's focus, sleep, like how many hours did you sleep, and your quality. You get to track your morning routine and evening routine. You have your to-do, and this is actually really cool. So you get to write down your thoughts of the day and then highlight if you want to have them done today, tomorrow, or another day. And as always, your schedule here. So let's go back to the template library. You get like the template library is also accessible from your tabs here on the bottom. And if you click on your title, like for example finances, you get this page, and it shows you with pictures what each page is about. So you get like 2022 finances, monthly finances, bills tracker, income, and expenses breakdown. So I'm going to show you how these pages look like. And then you get like this home organization templates, and I really love these ones because you get like this cute cleaning schedule, the zone cleaning insert, passwords and subscriptions, contact list, and this cute package tracker insert. So that's for home organization. Then physical health, you'll have your weekly fitness dashboard with some trackers. You get your weekly meal plan, which I absolutely adore how this turned out. You get your 2022 health dashboard. I also love this one a lot. And your doctor visits. Then we'll have like this planning kind of templates. So you get like a project planner, multiple project planner, a focus plan, work organizer, your routines, a brain dump, and a quarterly planner. Then we have the mental health area, which holds your daily check-in, your weekly goals, weekly intentions, monthly reflection. And if it goes too fast, you can always pause the video. You have your meltdown tips and triggers. You got your therapy notes and a stress level tracker. Okay, let's go back and let's take a look at the Undated. So for Undated, you have the daily planner. You get the Sunday and recap page. The weekly planner, of course. The monthly planner. The month at a glance. The monthly mental health. And your monthly custom page. So you can basically use this planner forever. So that's it for the pages in the planner. Also, please carefully read the information on the Etsy product images. You can read all about the compatibility there. And this was it for the ADHD, ASD, and ADD Life Planner flip-through video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has helped you get a better idea of all that's included in the planner. And if you have any questions about the digital planners, make sure to check out TDP community over at thedailyplanners.com. You can ask any questions there or read posts with inspiration or questions from other people in this community. You can also reach out to the daily planners on Etsy if you have questions about your purchase. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see us in the next one. Bye guys!